Good morning. Today we are going to learn ascending and descending order. So let us recall what is an ascending order and what is a descending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from small to big. Right? Ascending order means arranging numbers from small to big. Descending order means arranging numbers from big to small. Right? So here we have some set of numbers. Till now we have done in last classes with small numbers, right? Now we have lakhs, thousands, 10,000s, we have big numbers. Let us arrange them in ascending order and also in descending order. So let us go with the first one with ascending order first. See here I have written ascending. Ascending means small to big. For your convenience I am drawing a picture so that you can remember well. Ascending order means small to big. Even you can remember like that. So A is the first letter in alphabet. A is the smallest letter you can remember from small to big. Okay? Right. See here, let us read the numbers in first question. 12,751, 16,635, 708, 4,391, 68,300. So let us write how many digits are there in each of the number. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit number. Right? So this is also a 5-digit number. Then this is a 3-digit number. This is a 4-digit number. And this is also a 5-digit number. So why I am writing digits first? So as I told you in your previous class, a bigger digit number means it is bigger than the lower digit number. It means a 5-digit number is greater than a 4-digit number. 4-digit number is greater than a 3-digit number. 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number, and a 2-digit number is greater than a 1-digit number. See here, now we have written digits on down to every number. See, when you observe here, 3 numbers are 5-digit numbers and 1 number is a 4-digit and 1 number is a 3-digit. If you observe here, which number is having less number of digits? You are right. See, the third question you are having less number of digits. If you observe carefully, this is less number of digits means this will be the smaller number when you compare all the numbers. So now we are going to write this number first. So the first number will be 708. Right? Let us cancel, strike out this number so that it got eliminated from our group. We removed this number. Now, so 3 5-digit numbers are there and 1 4-digit number is there. So 4-digit will be smaller or 5-digit number will be smaller? Yes, you are right. 4-digit number is smaller. Then we will get on with the next number 4,391. So let's strike out the second number. Right? Now what you have to do? Now 3 numbers we have 5 digits only. So what you have to check? We have 3 numbers 5 digits. That's why we will check the 10,000s place of these 3 numbers. Okay? So 10,000s place here it is 1, 1 and here 6. 6 is greater than 1. So it won't come first. Let us see this 2. So this 2 have same digit in 10,000s place. Then what you have to do? If thousands place having same digit, you have to check the next place, that is thousands place. 10,000s place is having same digit here. So let us check the next place, that is thousands place. Here it is 2 and here it is 6. Tell me quickly which number is small number, 2 or 6? Right, 2 is the smaller than 6. So we have to take this entire number as the next one. What is that number? 12,751. Now we left with 2 numbers. So this is 16,635 So when you observe this first digit, 10,000th digit, here 1 and here 6, you will get 1 only. Then 16,635. After that 68,300 is the last. See here we arrange it in ascending order in the basis of digits. First we have checked the digits. When you get a small number digit, a number with small number of digits, then we have taken it first. See here we got a 3-digit number we have taken first, then a 4-digit number we have taken second, then we have 3 5-digit numbers we compared and we have taken according to them. This is ascending order. Here we arrange it from small to big. If you write a descending order to the same numbers, what it will become? Descending order is nothing but big to small, right? So big number to small number we have to write. So as we have arranged it in ascending order, it will be very easy for us to arrange in descending order. See here, which is the greatest number in the question? Yes, you are right. The greatest number in the question is a 5-digit, that too bigger one, 68,300. Then later, so here we have 12,751 and 16,635. So here 12 and here 16. 16 is bigger than 12. So we will take 16,635. Then third 16 after 12. So we will take 12,751. Then fourth is a 3-digit number or 4-digit number? Right, 4-digit number. We will get 4-digit number. Then last a 3-digit number, 708. It is in a reverse of ascending order. Right? So we have done ascending order and descending order to the particular question. Now you people pause the video, enter the question in your book, try to solve this by your own. Then continue to watch. Okay? Right here, let us write digits first. The first step you have to do is write number of digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, again 4 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. Let me read the numbers. 6,037, 8,472, 31,005, 1,721, 891. Okay? So if you observe this is a 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit and 3-digit numbers. So to write in ascending order, first we will take number formed with less number of digits. Which number will come? Right. So the last number you will get, that is 891. Then after that 3-digit we finished. Now we will move on with the 4-digit. But here we have 2 numbers with 4 digits. Then you have to compare. So you have to compare the biggest number in this. Biggest place value. Here thousands place, right? Both are 4 digits. That's why we have to check which number is greater. To check that, you have to check the place values. Here it is 6 in thousands place. Here it is 8 in thousands place. So which one is the smallest one here? Obviously 6 is the smallest digit. So 6,037 is the smallest number. So we will take 6,037 as second number. Then the third one, yes you are right, 8,472. Then the fourth number, see 5 digits. So now we finished 3-digit number and 4-digit numbers, right? We have left with 5-digit and 6-digit. When you observe 5-digit and 6-digit, which is the smallest number? Obviously 5-digit number is smaller than a 6-digit number. So we will take 31,005 and then last 1,721. So descending order is very easy now. So here the greatest number of digits are 6 number of digits. 1,721. So we'll take 1,721. Right, first. Then the second one, 5-digit number. Then the third one, 4-digit number we have to take. Again we have 4-digit numbers too. So we'll take the greatest place, that is thousands place. Here 8 is the greater one. 8,472 we will get. Then the next one, 6,037. Then last number, what you will get the last number, 3-digit number, 891. That's all. So today I am going to give you 2 questions. You have to write ascending order as well as descending order in that questions. For that question,